Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy F41. So finally we got the upgrade of Android 11, or I would say One UI 3.0. So on my phone screen you are able to view, like I've already in software update section, and it has already started seeding the update. So One UI 3 upgrade, which is Android 11 based. Below ones are the change log with respect to visual design changes, improved performance, better customization, enhanced features with respect to home screens and lock screens, calls and chats, pictures and videos. Aside to that, few changes in settings, Samsung keyboard, then productivity, easy and media device control, which will be available in quick settings. Then identify and improve digital habits. Aside to that, accessibility for everyone. The more emphasized version is like stronger privacy protection. Then additional improvement with respect to clock, some like system apps or Samsung apps and so on. As- Aside to that, security patch level of 1 January 2021 is also seeded with this particular update, which is very good because we are almost on a verge of complete ending this particular month, that is January 21. So we also got the same security patch level update. And aside to that, the full update is nearly about 1.6 GB, which is nearly about 1663.34 MB. Before I tap on download button, let me confirm you one more thing. Like, this is a Galaxy F41. So this is Galaxy F41, and aside to that, let me show you the current security patch level, which is installed of is 1 October 2020, and currently installed One UI core version is 2.5, which is Android 10 based. Now let me tap on software update button so that it can download the update and we would be ready to install it. And afterward we'll verify few other things. Even in this particular, like once you will after upgrading, you will see lot of changes in settings button, even in quick settings, like in you edge panels will be available. Aside to that, if you will be going to notification, you will see changes in like brief notification, detail notification and so on, which will be covering up once the installation process will be completed. So let's wait till this particular time it will download and going to install it. So finally the update has been downloaded on our phone. Now it is ready to install. It is prompting us, do you want to schedule the install or do you want to install now? So I'm just going to tap on install now. Now it will be checking few integrity checks in the background, will be extracting the update, and once the verification process will be completed, it will be prepared to update and our phone will be restarted in next few hardly minute or two. So let's wait till that particular time, and afterward it will take nearly about at least 10 to 15 minutes or maybe 15 to 20 minutes to complete the whole process. So in the meantime, do not play with your power button, neither with your volume rockers button, because this can result into soft brick or hard brick, and in that particular case you have to move to the authorized Samsung center to get it repaired in some time. It will be a chargeable, so that's not a beneficial. So finally the phone has been rebooted. Now it will be prompting to start the update. So even with Android 11, they have changed the updation process, or I would say setup wizard or update wizard. So let's wait till the time this will be completed. So we are almost on a verge of completing the upgradation process, and finally the phone has been rebooted again. So before we will jump into the home screen or login screen, this is a last app where it is updating the phone by optimizing the installed app. So this usually depend number of apps has been installed on your phone, and this also includes system apps and so on. So maybe at your side it might be 500, at someone else side it might be 300 and so on. So there is no if and buts in this particular condition. So let's wait till the time this optimization will be completed and we'll move to the home screen or login screen. So finally the phone optimization process has been completed and it booted to the home screen or login screen. So it is for the very first time, so it will take some time to load all the components, or I would say apps, widgets and so on. So just wait till the time this completes. So finally everything has been loaded properly, as you can even see finishing system update. So it will take some time in the background, but now you can see those devices and media control available. Quick settings layout has been totally changed. Now it is somewhat like blurred or transparent. Aside to that, now let's move to the settings section. So as I've told you earlier that you will see the icon sets have been changed, and aside to that, I was also mentioning you one thing related to notification, that you will see like brief and details. So this is all really nice. I will suggest to keep the notification as in brief, and whenever it will appear, it will look very nice rather than detail. But if you are habitual in terms of detail notification, then you can select this part. Now let me just move to the about phone section, software section. Now even they also mention this model name here as well. Earlier it was not available. So in software information, you can see One UI Core version 3.0, which is based on Android 11. Aside to that, security patch level of 1 January 2021, and now they are also including Google Play System update related information, which is 1 December 2020. And before I wrap up my video, I just want to mention one more thing. I'll try my level best to come with the review part of this in coming 2 or 3 days, and even it has prompted software has been updated. So just wait till that particular time, and in the meantime, if you have any question, you feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will try my level best to reply to those. So this was all from my side related to the like Android 11 update available or One UI 3.0 update available for Samsung Galaxy F41. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.